So tonight, I'm going to show you the magic of the CO2 Lift Face Mask. Okay, so first you're going to want to grab a bowl and spoon, take out the little packets, and open those up. The big ones first, it's a little bit easier to get out. That second one, I warm up with my fingers beforehand, and then I throw them in the bowl together, and I stir for about 45 seconds just to make sure it's all combined and jelly-like. Then I start applying it all over my face. Pro tip, layer it on pretty thick because when it comes time to take it off, you kind of just want it to peel off like a skin. That sounds gross, but it's better than when you do it thin and then it kind of flakes everywhere. It's kind of a nightmare. I also make sure to focus under my eyes because I get super dry, irritated eyes in the wintertime, and this helps so much. And then when you look like a goopy monster, that means you're good to go. And then you'll leave it on for about 45 minutes and we'll check back. So this is my skin immediately after, and then this is the next morning. It looks great.